Welcome to the course on knowing the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 9, Impairment of Assets. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. By the end of this course, you will be expected to understand and have a brief idea on what BDAS 9 is all about. Impairment of assets is defined as an entity should consider whether there exists any indication for impairment at each balance sheet date, including property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, and investments in securities other than inventories, construction contracts, and current investments. In the event that an asset's carrying amount exceeds its recoverable amount, the carrying amount should be restated to recoverable amount, and an impairment loss should be recognized in the profit or loss for the period. Now let's go through the sample scenario for recording impairment of assets. The property ABC was bought with $1.5 million while the current recoverable amount is $1.2 million. An impairment loss of $0.3 million is to be recognized. From here, we can extract the journal entry to record an impairment is a debit to the impairment loss for $300,000 and credit the same amount with accumulated impairment loss. A representation of the scenario for BDAS 9 record of impairment of assets will look like this in Accounting Plus. Do note the journal ID for future reference. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the course video for BDAS 9 Impairment of Assets.